I believe it to be appropriate and befitting of the great Zulu nation to bestow the honor given to me by His Majesty to my son, Umntwana Misuzulu Zulu. In this regard, I implore you to give consideration to appointing Umntwana Misuzulu as the king in my stead. I am hopeful that Umntwana Misuzulu Zulu will accept this honor and duty with buoyancy. In the event that he does not accede to my wishes or is not appointed, and only in those circumstances shall I oblige with the king's wishes that I should succeed His Majesty. I believe that Umntwana Misuzulu Zulu is preeminently suitable to assume the position of the Zulu monarch. 1. Umntwana Misuzulu Zulu is a designated heir of the Zulu kingdom in terms of our Zulu customary law and traditions. 2. Umntwana Misuzulu Zulu is the son of His Majesty in the royal house of Kwakengela Mankenga. 3. God has given me the singular honor to be born from the royalty of His Majesty the King of Eswatini, Sobhuza II. 4. In accordance with a long-standing tradition of the Zulu nation, the son born of royalty, such as Umntwana Misuzulu Zulu, is preeminently the successor to the king. 5.